Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make Instagram Reels account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do first is just to have Instagram in the first place. So basically to start creating Instagram Reels, you will be needing to have Instagram account. So make sure that you go to your store, your phone store, and then search for Instagram, whether you are having Play Store or App Store. So after that, you will be needing to install and download Instagram. After downloading and installing Instagram, you will be needing to create the account. And to do so, it's a simple process. All you need to do is just to start filling information. So here, I'm just going to log out and click log out, and to create an account, we can simply click on create new account. By clicking on new account, you will be needing to add your mobile number. After that, we need just to click on next. Now, let's just make sure that everything is okay. And I'm just going to click on next. And basically, we can uh, confirm. So you will be sent a code. After you confirm it, you will be adding to confirm your uh, number. And basically, when you have your confirmation code, you click on next. And after that, you will be needing just to add your personal informations from your name, your last name, your username, or pseudonym. And after that, you will be able to start entering to Instagram, and you will be able to start creating your own reels. And basically, to start creating your reels, you need just to click on this plus sign, go to reels, and there you go. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.